Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about an extension by Microsoft, and this extension will give developers the ability to share their code or session with someone else, allowing them to edit your code as well as share a server and a debugging session. The extension that I'm talking about is called LiveShare. LiveShare is an extension for VS Code that enables real-time collaboration between developers. So this is an excellent extension that you can use when working especially in teams or when doing code reviews. For LiveShare to work, the developers need to have LiveShare installed on VS Code. Let's see how to get started with it. So I'm back in Visual Studio Code, and the very first thing that I'm going to do is to install the extension. So I'll go into the extensions tab here and I will say LiveShare. So this is the extension that we will be installing. So I'll just click on install and it gets installed. So now you can also see that you get one option here called LiveShare. So if you click on it, you will have some menu items here. So you can join a collaboration session, you can start a collaboration session, or you can also start a read-only collaboration session. So this option is particularly great if you are doing something like a code review. Okay, and also all of your contacts appear here in the recent contacts and suggested contacts menu here. And as and when you collaborate with more developers, those contacts get added here. One great option that you have with this extension is that you can also chat with the developer. So you have this option here. If you click on that, you can see that a chat box opens here. Okay, so now to start a collaboration session, just click on the start collaboration session option here and it starts. Yes, so now you can see that there are some changes. So as and when new participants join into the session, the participants will show up here. Okay, and also the link to the session has been copied to your clipboard. So now what you can do with this link is that you can share it with the developer that you want to collaborate with, and he can access all of your code. So that is about sharing the session. So let's see how we can go about joining a session. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close the session, and then I will go into this option, join a collaboration session. So every time someone wants to join a collaboration session, they have to have a link with them. And once I press enter, I can join into the other developers session and start seeing their code and also collaborate with them. So that is all about Microsoft's LiveShare, guys. See you in the next video.